We'll be cutting out a project, and I'll be taking you step by step through each tool path, telling point cutter roundover. Now, I used to do this second to last. Making a tray today out of this puzzle piece, and so in order to make it a tray, we're just going to offset it inwards that 1/2 inch, and let me show you a couple quick setup tips as I straighten out this vector right here. So whenever we do that inset, we create a whole bunch of nodes, which could be a ton of G code for the machine. So we're just going to click this curve fit right here and select Bezier curves. There's a tolerance, and that's going to take away all of those extra nodes, which are going to slow down the machine. The next thing we're going to do is put a fillet or fillet on these corners over here. Now, we will be using a 3/4 inch bowl and tray, so most of the time you would say do a 0.375 radius fillet. But it's actually better if you go bigger, and I'll show you why later whenever we get to the bowl and tray section of this video. And so boom, all of those are now done. Now we are ready to do the point cutter roundover programming. This setup part is very important. Now, to correctly set up this point cutter roundover, we're going to come inwards 0.03 inches on the inside vector and outwards 0.03 inches on that vector as well. Then we're going to hop over here and run a profile toolpath on the new vectors that we just created, and we're going to do it with our farm tool, which is our point cutter bit, on the line running at 60 inches a minute and 30 inches on the plunge rate, and we're going to do that in one pass. Nothing crazy here, a simple ramp, and when that roundover is done, it should look like this.